Are you looking for a lawn chair that you can sit up straight, lounge down, and also take to the beach? Then stay tuned. Hi, my name is Jay, and welcome to my channel. Here we talk all about business, travel, having fun, and living the life we desire. So if that sounds like something of interest to you, then consider becoming a part of the family by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. That way you can be informed when videos like this and others are uploaded. So let's dive in. Comes with two. So you get two chairs and two caddies. Hey, are you getting value out of this thus far? If so, it would mean the world to me if you take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, boss. You rock. Let's jump back in. Perfect. Nice and comfortable. It's cool netting. So this is an update with this lawn chair. Let me tell you, not only do I use this to go to the beach, as you see, I'm out here in the park. I'm right by the water, and I absolutely love it because I can do my work from here. I am a lounger, so I love ottomans, and the ability to be able to lounge down and sit back and have my laptop while I'm working, and I'm sitting out here in the beautiful weather. I love the fact that this chair has this pillow. You can use it as a pillow, but I personally like it as lumbar support. That's just me, depending on how I feel today. I love how I can work here. I can enjoy it. I can lock my chair and lounge up, which I do very often. On top of that, you have a lot of space over here. So I have my water that I like to have. Out here, I keep my phone so I can take care of business, because the beautiful thing is that I work from anywhere. I say you can work from home, but I work online, so my office is anywhere I choose it. And having something like this is awesome. I can have my tablet here, or if I'm lounging, just have a magazine, have snacks. It's so much. This chair is so easy and convenient. Now, most people will bring like one of those folded chairs, which I do have, but I like this chair more when I go out. It is a little bulkier than others, but I always pull this one because it's so relaxing, and I can feel like here, I can work here for hours. I'll usually sit here and sit outside for maybe sometimes 5 or 6 hours, depends on how I feel. Partly working, partly lounging, partly on social media, doing whatever I want. So this is an amazing chair. I absolutely love it. You know, I think this was a great buy. I love the fact that 2 of them came in a package, and myself and my husband and children, we can all enjoy. So to the next one, go ahead and watch one of my other videos. And as always, laugh, love, live life to the fullest, and don't forget to live your passion.